Welcome back to AK AutoExpert, your go-to source for premium car insights, reviews, and all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury with the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a flagship sedan that blends innovation, performance, and unmatched elegance. Let's take a full tour of what makes this model a benchmark for all luxury cars. Exterior. The 2025 S-Class doesn't shout luxury, it whispers it with elegance. Its smooth, aerodynamic lines and stretched proportions give it a poised, confident stance. The redesigned grille features vertical chrome slats, flanked by ultra-slim digital light headlamps that are both stylish and smart. Flush door handles, a sleek rear profile, and a subtle chrome trim add to its understated luxury. With 19 to 21-inch alloy wheels and an updated LED taillight design, the new S-Class looks more refined and modern than ever. It's a rolling statement of sophistication. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 S-Class offers a range of powerful yet smooth engine options. The S500 4MATIC is powered by a 3.0-liter inline-six turbo engine with EQ boost, delivering around 429 horsepower, while the S580 4MATIC comes with a 4.0-liter V8, putting out 496 horsepower, also enhanced with mild hybrid technology. All models feature Mercedes' 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive, ensuring a quiet yet confident ride. The available e-active body control and rear axle steering system make maneuvering surprisingly agile for such a large sedan. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by what might be the most luxurious cabin in the segment. The interior of the 2025 S-Class is a masterclass in design and comfort. A massive 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen floats in the center, powered by the latest MBUX infotainment system, paired with a 12.3-inch digital driver display. Ambient lighting with 64 color options, Napa leather upholstery, and open-pore wood trim complete the ultra-premium feel. Rear passengers are treated like royalty with available executive seating, massage functions, dual 11.6-inch screens, and even a fridge in the rear console. This is the kind of cabin that turns every ride into a first-class experience. Safety features. Mercedes-Benz is known for safety, and the 2025 S-Class continues that legacy. It's packed with cutting-edge driver assistance systems, including Active Distance Assist Distronic, Active Steering Assist, PariSafe Sound and Impulse Side, Automatic Emergency Braking, Adaptive Cruise Control, 360-degree camera system, Night Vision Assist Plus. The S-Class even has Level 3 autonomous driving capability in select markets, a step closer to hands-free luxury. Prices. The 2025 S-Class is a luxury investment. Here's the starting MSRP breakdown. S500 4MATIC, starting at $115,000. S580